gravy turkey sando with cranberry and bacon and provolone. The tryptophan has got me, okay? Day after Thanksgiving, there's a lot to be done, right? We got some cleaning to do, we got some relaxing to do, but first and foremost, we gotta get through these leftovers. Let's go through some basics. I have turkey left over, I've got cranberries, I've got some butter caramelized onions, some provolone, bacon, brioche, butter, of course, and world famous mashed potatoes. So, all right, I got a soapstone going at 450 degrees. Let's get that turkey on, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Next, I'm gonna butter my buns. Okay. Let's get that bacon woken up, guys. Come on, come on. Stay with me now.
Man, you weren't kidding. This is fast.
This is fast.
I'm trying to keep up.
Little caramelized onions. Let's walk through it again. Bacon. Brioche. Beautiful Hillsborough hot turkey. And some caramelized onions, okay? I'm gonna start getting this rosemary warmed up as well. Now that our turkey is nice and woke, we're gonna stack it a little bit. Put those onions right on top. Then we're gonna put our 2 pieces of provolone. Just see where this is going. Tuck these pieces in here. I'm gonna come over here. I can't reach everything I'm trying.
Get into the action.
Yeah. These mashed potatoes were absolutely delicious the first day, and they're absolutely delicious the second day. I'm just gonna make a little mountain of potatoes right in the center there. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, you only live once, guys. That's the magic, okay? Good. Oh, beauty. Oh, almost forgot. Guys, going so fast. Cranberry. Turkey. Bacon. Woo! I'll let that cheese melt for just a second.
What are we doing with this rosemary over here?
Rosemary's starting to get nice and beautiful. I can smell it. So I'm gonna come in right there. Okay. Right on top of the mash. Oh,
Hey, you're attacking me.
right on top of the mashers.
Whoa.
Ready for the gravy?
Oh my goodness. Stop. Stop it. Whoa. Whoa.
Leftovers, all right? Don't be intimidated by that big mountain of food, all the Ziplocs and all the Tupperwares in that refrigerator. Get out there and make something fun. Like this provolone bacon, caramelized onion, gravy, mashed potato sandwich, not burger. All right? Have some fun with it, team. I'm gonna go find a fork and a knife and get into this. Cheers. Happy grilling.